everyone! In today's video we'll be guiding you through the process of updating the software and firmware on your Snyper-IoT Graphyte using the SirettaSPARK software. Keeping your device up to date is crucial for optimal performance and reliability, so let's get started. SirettaSPARK is a tool developed by Siretta to simplify the process of keeping your devices up to date. Not only does it handle updates, but it can also run diagnostic tests, which can be useful if you encounter any issues. SirettaSPARK is compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. The devices supported by SirettaSPARK include Sniper cellular network analyzers, Sentry intelligent network analyzers, SL500 intelligent industrial modems, and Zeta industrial modems. For today, we'll focus on the Snyper-IoT Graphyte. First, you'll need to create a Siretta Portal account. If you already have an account for Siretta Link or Cloud Survey, you can use the same login credentials. Once logged in, download the latest version of SirettaSPARK from the portal. After downloading, open SirettaSPARK.exe. You'll be prompted to enter a key which you can find in your Siretta portal. This key only needs to be entered the first time you run the application. Once entered, your account will be linked to SirettaSPARK and your details will appear under the Active User section. Now, let's connect your Snyper-IoT Graphyte. Hold down the power button until the blue LED lights up and the boot screen appears. You'll see a message directing you to visit www.siretta.com/go. At this point, connect your device to your computer using the provided cable. Open the SirettaSPARK application and click Connect Device. Before updating, we need to install the relevant USB drivers. Visit Siretta's software library page and download the driver that matches your operating system. Ensure your device stays connected and turned on during the installation. With everything set up, SirettaSPARK will show any available software and firmware updates. If updates are available, the Update button will be active. Click it to start the update process. Remember to update the software first if both software and firmware updates are available. Once all updates are complete, the Update buttons will become inactive, indicating your device is up to date. Finally, click the Disconnect button before unplugging your device. And there you have it. Your Snyper-IoT Graphyte is now up to date with the latest software and firmware. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.